What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Join the freaking Flyers Club. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, forgive me if I sound a little stuffy, man. Getting over some sinuses, but the work must go on, man. The show must continue. I got a regular orange box for y'all, man. Y'all seen the title and thumbnail. This isn't a sneaker, but it is a sneaker. Kinda. The tag on this joint reads, Nike Vapor Edge 360 DT, black, white, sundown, and tough red, size 12, personal pair. These are getting put to use, man. Now, like I mentioned earlier, man, these joints are not a sneaker, but they kinda are a sneaker in a way. Let's check these joints out and see what I'm talking about, man. Now, here we have the Nike Vapor Edge 360 DT for Diamond Turf. And off the rip, man, if you know what you're looking at, you know what you're looking at, man. This is one of those if you know type things, bro. This is the Deion Sanders Diamond Turf turned into an actual football cleat, man. The Diamond Turf was initially a turf shoe that Deion Sanders played football and baseball in, but they flipped it and added the Vapor Edge 360 foot plate and turned it into a full-fledged football cleat. Let's check out these details, man, and see if you're feeling these joints like I am. Now, starting with the front of that shoe, man, as you can see, it comes laced in the smooth black nubuck, which is really rare for a football cleat, man. Black nubuck all the way around the upper, going across that toe. The side has the claws in the yellow with the red outline going across the stitching. The yellow is like in a plasticky leather type of material, but this all black nubuck is really rare for a football cleat, man. It has that Nike sign embroidered in. True Deion, true DT, Diamond Turf fashion, man. Super clean pair, man, super clean. It's a true Diamond Turf going across the upper, all the way around the back as well, with the black rubber heel tab with the Nike sign right there in white. Red pull tab, red outline stitching going all the way throughout the shoe. Now, getting to the inside, it has the yellow claws as well, man. White Nike sign embroidered into the back of the shoe. And I love that red outline stitching that they used on these joints, man. As I mentioned earlier, still black nubuck going all the way around the shoe. And this is a true Diamond Turf, man. Now, getting back to the front of the shoe, man, it has the black mesh tongue going all the way up the shoe with the black and red laces, man. All black laces with the red hit. It has the mid-foot strap in true Diamond Turf fashion. And as you can see that logo on the tongue, man, the bottom part is a diamond like a baseball home plate. And it has a field goal, man, just showing that this is a mesh of a shoe. This is a Deion shoe. Deion played football and baseball. And that's why it has the home plate and the field goal, man. Getting to the edge of the laces, they went with the yellow just to match the outside of the shoe, man. Really dope touch there. But this particular colorway is a Kyler Murray PE. If you remember last year, and if you've seen any of my other football cleats videos that I've been talking about with the dunks, with the Kyler Murray dunk and with the Panda dunk, man, they let Kyler debut this shoe last season, and he had this colorway, which is like a Arizona Cardinals colorway with the black, red, and yellow, and he also had an Oakland A's colorway. If you don't know, Kyler Murray was drafted number 9 overall, like the 9th person in the MLB draft. Kyler Murray played baseball his whole life. He played in college, and Kyler's a true dog on the baseball field, man. A lot of people don't know that, or they might have forgot. Yes, he's elite at quarterback. Yes, he's super fast, throws the ball really well. But Kyler may be even a better baseball player than he is a football player, man. He's really good. Went number 9 overall in baseball, the number 1 overall pick in football, and that's really unheard of, man. You do see quite a few people. I'm not gonna say quite a few, but you have seen people get drafted in both sports and play both sports. Jordan played both sports. Russell Wilson was drafted in baseball, but to go first pick in football and first round in baseball, I'm pretty sure Kyler Murray was the only one. But like I said, this is a Kyler Murray PE with the black, yellow, and red and Cardinals colors. And they also gave him an Oakland A's PE because he was drafted number 9 by the Oakland A's. That one is white, green, and gold in Oakland A's colors. Super dope pair there. But this is the first one to drop out of this Diamond Turf pack. If you've been paying attention to Colorado this season, you've been seeing Shador and Shiloh wear the black and white and gold version. That's the pair that I really want, but my flag football team just got black and yellow jerseys, so this one fit right in for sure. I still may grab the black and white. I've been checking eBay trying to see if the green Oregon pair pops up. I've grabbed a couple of Oregon PE cleats from there over the years. I'm hoping to grab that one for sure, but for now, I'm good with this Kyler Murray PE and the first retail release of a Nike Diamond Turf cleat, man. Y'all leave a comment down below, man. Let me know how you feeling about these joints so far. Now getting into the cleat play, man. This is the Vapor Edge 360 cleat play. It's the same one they use for the Panda Dunks. And all of the other Vapor Edge cleats use this same foot plate. They just changed the upper and add the tennis shoe swag to it, man. So it has a yellow plate on the outside, man, with the black Nike sign. And it has black and yellow hits going all the way around the bottom. Full yellow plate on the back with the black Nike sign. Super clean shoe, bro. If you love the Diamond Turf, man, it definitely was a staple growing up in Dallas. A lot of people wore the Deion's. This foot strap, man, just brings back nostalgia to the purest form, man. I love it. I love it. They did a really good job bringing this joint to life on a football cleat. I know he already played football in them, but it still wasn't a full-fledged cleat. They played on like carpet style, low turf back in the day. So a lot of people wore turf cleats, and actual football cleats weren't really a thing unless they played outside on grass. So for them to bring this joint to life in the cleat and for them to do it on a retail release, man. I know Oregon got pairs, man. A lot of those guys was wearing those this year. Kyler Murray was wearing these a couple of times, and I've seen Shiloh Shador, and I think Travis Hunter wore a pair as well. But other than that, man, this is the first one that we got released to the public. Happy to have these joints. Now let's get into that right shoe and check that joint out as well. Now getting into that right shoe, man, just the same as the left. Full black nubuck, some really nice nubuck if I may add, man. Pure black, no scarring, super dark black, not that ashy black that you're gonna see. Yeah, I am surprised they did nubuck on a retail release, man. I wasn't sure if they was gonna switch it up. This nubuck, I'm not sure how well it's gonna last on grass and wet, muddy, rainy days, man. It's a football cleat, I know. It's gonna get messed up, but people buying these because they look good, man. There are plenty of way cheaper options when it comes to football cleats, but this one looks really good. And I'm personally not gonna try to get these dirty. I'm gonna try to save these for our turf games and turf tournaments, but we'll see how that goes, man. I'm super tempted to wear these joints next week in our league play, man. We play on grass, fields are dirty, muddy, but we're gonna see how that goes. But getting into the outside of the shoe, man, it has that black nubuck going all the way around. The yellow claws going across, man, in true Diamond Turf fashion. Same thing on the back of the shoe, man. Nice bright yellow. Rubber heel tab with the white Nike embroidered in. Red pull tab. Getting to the inside of the shoe, man, just the same with the yellow clawing. White Nike embroidered in. Black nubuck, super smooth, nice black nubuck. I can tell this is gonna be a very durable material. Not sure how it's gonna last as far as holding up with dirt, but it's definitely gonna last as far as durability and wearability. Has that Nike sign on the strap on the front of the shoe. Nike sign here on the side as well. And it also has the sock, man. These joints fit super tight. They mold to your foot, man. One thing I can say about the Vapor Edge 360 is definitely a skilled guy cleat. Me being a bigger guy, I usually went with like the more bulky ankle support cleats, man. But I just be having to get with these joints for the fashion, man. I can't lie to you. These joints look too good for me not to have them, man. I got the Pandas. I used to wear a lot of Jordan 11 high cleats, Jordan 1 high cleats, and those are like super comfortable to me. I've been playing in a pair of Vapor Edge 360s and like a solid black and gray pair that I've been wearing for a while. And once they break in, man, they feel really good. I haven't had any like ankle injuries or things like that like I thought I would, because it's really like a low cut shoe if you really want to be honest. The sock makes it feel mid-top, and it kind of hugs the ankle once you slip it on, but still a good shoe. The cleat plate is wide, so you're not really prone to ankle turns. They have cleats on the outside of both sides of the shoe, so you can really plant and get upfield in these joints, man. Really like them, really dope colorway. Shout out to Kyler Murray, shout out Deion for getting back with Nike. Shout out my bro Mike. Shout out to whoever is working with Nike football, putting out this crack, man. The Panda Dunk was a start, but this one is a whole different level, man. The Panda Dunk was like bringing the 2022, 2023 trendy fashion into football, but this is bringing football nostalgia, sneaker nostalgia into football, man. With Coach Prime coming back, I'm pretty sure Colorado's gonna be rocking these joints all next season. They let Oregon do it. I don't see why they wouldn't let Colorado do it. Where Coach Prime is, where the Diamond Turf actually originated from. So we'll see how that goes, but until then, we got the Kyler Murrays, man. We got Kyler Murray's first PE to be released to the public, man. Now, I was able to grab these joints from the Nike app, man. They released on Friday, the same day as the Kobe Grinches and the Powder Puff Girls. Released the same time as the Kobe Grinches. And a lot of people were focused on those, even though it's a football cleat. If you look at that Panda Dunk cleat, man, the resale is going really, really crazy on those. But this one was super expensive, man. This one was 230 bucks. It sold out in size 11 and up pretty much in like 2 hours. And then throughout the weekend, it ended up selling out. And today, as of Monday, when I checked earlier today, they only had a size 7 men left, man. I dropped these joints in my local flag football chat. After I copped mine, of course, I had to make sure I secured my pair. And a lot of guys went and copped. Even a couple of the homegirls that play flag copped these joints as well, man. It's a really good looking shoe. It brings that sneaker culture to football, even though it's already a football diamond turf shoe. This is just a perfect model for them to make into a full-fledged cleat, man. Nike did a really good job with these joints. And like I mentioned, man, price on these joints was 230 bucks. It's 248 out the door here in Texas, man. So this is a really expensive cleat. There's a lot more cheaper models in the Vapor Edge 360 and like regular colorways. There are available on sale, 150, 100 and less, and things like that. I even just grabbed a pair of Vapor Edge 360s for like 40 bucks during a Black Friday sale. Let me show you those. Now I was able to grab these joints right here on Black Friday during the Nike sale. I grabbed them for like 40 bucks if I'm not mistaken. Then I had a $25 gift card. So I got these for super cheap. And like I mentioned earlier, with this diamond turf being 230 bucks, I was surprised that it sold out as quick as it did when this exact same shoe, for the most part, as far as functionality, was available for 120 or less in certain colorways. This one, I think, is still online for like 78 bucks with no coupon, no sale, no gift card. So this one is still pretty cheap and a super clean colorway. Don't get me wrong. This one is probably my favorite colorway of the regular Vapor Edge 360. But when you bring the sneaker world into it, man, I just couldn't pass up on these ones. Even though they were 230 bucks, crazy, crazy, crazy expensive, I just had to grab them, man. But y'all leave me a comment down below. Would you rather have like a regular cleat for 100 or less, or would you pay that extra price tag for the diamond turf, man? I was torn in between the two. Haven't even got a chance to break these joints in yet because our season has been on a hiatus due to all the Thanksgiving breaks, Christmas breaks. We don't start back up until January, but I'm gonna bring these joints out next after I finish with the black pair. I gotta break these joints in. But once our new jerseys come in, can't wait for this diamond turf, man. Same shoe, same cleat plate on the bottom, man. So the exact same feel. They just changed the design of the upper of the shoe. It's still the same shape and everything, but they just add more details to this joint, more materials, and it's just a more detailed shoe, man. This is a sneaker upper crafted out of this base model, and it just made it in a super fire way, man. Y'all leave me a comment down below. Let me know which one you'd rather rock. Are you doing diamond turfs for 230 bucks, 250 out the door? Are you taking a regular cleat that's just super clean as well for 70, 80 bucks, man? Y'all let me know which one you taking, man. You taking the expensive Vapor Edges, the diamond turfs, you taking the Panda Dunks for 200 bucks, which is like reselling for like 500 now. Even the Colin Murray cleat is kind of reselling like 250. You taking the expensive sneaker way, or do you just need a regular cleat? It's football, they're gonna get dirty anyway, man. Leave me your honest opinion. Let me know how you guys are feeling. Now, as far as quality and quality control, man, as I mentioned earlier, really good materials. Super surprised they did nubuck on these cleats, man. It was kind of hard to tell before they dropped the official images on Nike. You just seen that it was a black shoe. But these joints are fire, man. Really nice material, really nice quality. No misplaced stitches, no errors on the shoe at all, man. Super clean shoe, super clean colorway. A Colin Murray PE. Happy they finally released these joints, man. They've been rumoring for a while, but we finally got them. Super nice quality, super nice material, and just a dope shoe, dope project overall. But overall, man, just about wraps it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing and review of this Nike Vapor Edge 360 Diamond Turf, man, in the Colin Murray PE colorway. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these. To my football players, man, you copping for 250? Are you dropping? Are you dripping, flipping, skipping? You rocking these joints on the grass or straight turf, man? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these. But like I said, it's gonna wrap it up for this one. Until next time on the next video, we got the Nike Vapor Edge 360 cleat, the Diamond Turf, and the Colin Murray PE colorway, man. Peace.